Hey, what's up, Shawn? Corey here. I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition. I got your website pulled up here. So the 3 things I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Before I go into that, your site isn't secure. I'd actually go get that secure as well. Anyway, so the first thing that I'm going to go over is content. I would bring this up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. That's kind of like one of the first steps to get ranked on Google on that first page is really being content driven, really. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can lay your keywords on what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these little images, you can actually go in and put keywords back there, and that'll make a huge difference with your rankings because that's all content and Google sees that. So if I just go inside of Google here and type in AC Repair Orlando FL, this is what you're going to see. You have these Google guarantees. These actually are brand new to Google. They came up with these to try and help weave out some of those spammy phone calls coming from those old school ads. So these Google guarantees, just another paid advertisement to help block out some of those spam calls. Anyway, so we got this little map section here. To get the rankings here is going to be dealing with more of citations. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking our competition. Underneath this map section, we have all the organic rankings. Really, to get to be found here on that first page is going to come down to that authoric content, how much detailed information that you're giving the general public. Also, what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back from one website back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Now, if I just go inside your website here and take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of your site. So it looks like you have 38 referring domains, which is pushing back about 78 backlinks. You got 338 keywords you're being found for, and in return you're getting about 95 clicks every month to your site. And these 95 clicks are actually coming from these keywords. This is what people are searching for, and this is how you're being found. So we got roof AC for home, air conditioning on roof, downtown air conditioning companies, Orlando FL, heat, air and heat, sanitized air ducts. Let's go to the second page. Air Orlando, roof mount AC, roof mounted air conditioning, dehumidifier on cell. Here we go. HVAC Orlando FL. There's actually a keyword right in there. There's 100 clicks every single month. You're missing all the traffic because you're literally on the third page with that one keyword there. HVAC in Orlando FL, another 10 clicks. HVAC contract Orlando FL, another 50 clicks. AC repair Orlando, Florida, 30 clicks. You're missing all this traffic because your second and third page with your website on the second and third pages. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Del Air. They do have several locations throughout the Florida area, and I just want to show you what they're actually ranking for. So this was actually back just in their Orlando area. So kind of give you an example here. AC Repair Orlando FL, there's 200 clicks every single month with that one keyword. The traffic that they're getting because their first position is incredible. They're getting 70 clicks every month from that one keyword. AC Repair Orlando, another 600 clicks every month. Still getting a lot of traffic because they're first position with that keyword as well. HVAC Services Orlando FL, another 20 clicks. Orlando AC Service, another 20 clicks. Go back to the top. Yeah, so what we'd want to do is focus on a lot of these keywords right here, and putting a lot of backlink power and also the content to really be found for those keywords is really important as well. Anyway, so if you see any value in anything that I went over, would love a free custom game plan, or just tell me how I did on this video, feel free to reach back out. My number is 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks.